How to build an automated online business system? Our answer is that you should follow the 9 action steps outlined in this training, in the order they are outlined. Whether you want to build one e-commerce website, or many, the process is exactly the same. We will also include links to tools that we use every day to efficiently build and run our multiple websites. Do you have questions or suggestions? If you have any questions, please send an email to onlinesuccess@carlhenryglobal.com, or you can leave comments or messages on our social media pages below. You will find links on this page to our Facebook page, Facebook group, and YouTube channel. The foundation of all online businesses. The foundation of all online business is called the sales funnel. But before we get into the key parts of an online business, I want you to understand the general structure and system on which every money-making website is built. It's called a sales funnel, or as I prefer, an automated online sales system. The objective is to attract new potential customers. Get them give you their email address. Very important, so you can send further marketing messages, which they give you in return for you giving them something of real value to them. This gift is normally some free information that gives them a partial solution to their problem. The reason people call it a sales funnel is because you start by attracting a large number of visitors to your offer, but not all of them will subscribe to your mailing list. Far fewer will actually buy your product. This is normal and a typical sales process. If you attract, say, 100 visitors, perhaps 20 might subscribe to your mailing list, and 5 might buy your product immediately. Of the 20 subscribers, you might get another 5 sales using follow-up emails. So, you can see the effect of the funnel, large at the top and narrower at the bottom. Too many gurus are still selling courses and seminars that rely on psychological tricks, aimed at getting people to buy ever more expensive products and services. Today, you must give your subscribers and customers quality and valuable content and results in advance of a sale. Due to social media and the high use of mobile devices, people are sharing information, good and bad, that flies around the world faster and faster. If you are a trickster or phony, you will be found out. On the other hand, if you are being helpful, that message will also be passed on. Today, it is best to offer free information that gives your prospects results in advance of a sale. It can be a tip or insight, where your prospect sees the quality of your knowledge before you expect them to buy from you. The 4 key steps to sales. In the spirit of keeping things simple and focused, I have identified that there are only 4 key steps between someone visiting your website and you making a sale. If you keep this in mind, and focus all of your efforts on these 4 steps, you will have the best opportunity to achieve online success. These 4 steps are lead generation, lead capture, lead conversion, and effective sales closing. We will explore these steps in more detail soon.